Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, in the morning right now, so I'm gonna settle out this debate between which nasi lemak is better. Is it Singapore nasi lemak or Malaysia nasi lemak? I've not been tasting nasi lemak in Malaysia for quite some time, so I forget how does it taste like. So after I shower today, I'm gonna search about nasi lemak in Malaysia, especially in JB since it's the nearest. So I'm gonna find the best nasi lemak in JB. So catch you guys in a while, yeah? See you. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna search for the best nasi lemak in JB, Johor Bahru. So let's see, the criteria for it is have to be a high score rating and also at least 200 reviews, and then we will go there. Alright, so right now I'm in Google, so we will click on open now and top rated, and then we will see the first one come up is Yummy Nasi Lemak House, Johor Bahru. Looks promising, got 379 review. It's a rating of at 4.2. And then the next one is, oh, rating is 4.3. It got 203 review. Alright. And then 4.1, 4.5 review, but it's only 30 review. So that's not gonna make it. 4.6, 28 review. Let me take a look. 5. But it's only 8 review. Why I wanted more review is because to be more genuine. Because if you have 8 review, you can ask your friends to just review it and put it 5. Or just a few customers to promote. Oh, there's another 5. Nasi lemak anak ramai. It's only 2 review.
Wow.
It must be got 1.4 review. 1.4k review. But it's only 4.1. Okay. Let me see. We got a lot. 1.3 review. 4.3. Let me see. Looks promising. So we will go to Pondok Santampan Lakin. Is it open? Let's see. It's open now. Okay. So we will go to this place. Let's see the review. Nasi lemak tak sedap, tasteless. Okay, the next one is sangat sedap ya. Temping roti Arab, nasi lemaknya harum. Harum is smell good. Nasi kerbau, nasi lemak semua ada, sedap semua. Okay. So location is number 8 Jalan Puyo Larik Jaya. Larik Johor. Close at 12 p.m. Go there because now it's almost 10 a.m. 11, 12. So 12, I only have like an hour to go there. Let me check. Where is it? What's the map? Okay. Right now it's 54 minutes. That's an hour by right. Pondok Samping. Looks good. Shall we go there? I think we should. Let's go. Okay, see you guys then.
Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
Reach the location. So now we are heading in. and then see you guys after I order. It's surprisingly it's only like 10:50 a.m. and I'm early. It's just like about 45 minutes trip. Yep. See you guys there. Order di sini. Okay, see what is next. Listen. All this. Sorry tanya kalau nak order dengan nasi lemak tu macam mana di sini?
Saya pun first time.
Oh, saya pun first time. Saya tengok kat internet sini macam popular. Nasi lemak. Oh, lama. Looks good. Shall we go there? I think we should. Let's go. Nasi lemak. Apa yang ada?
Yang tinggal kat dalam lontong kering, diam lah. Lontong kering sama buah, mi gari, mi rebus,
Salah satu yang popular.
laksa jorok, roti jala, roti Arab.
Yang popular sebarang.
Itu yang ujung tu bang, roti Arab.
Boleh lah.
Boleh? Abang nak buat kari ayam ke daging?
Kari daging.
Daging.
Ya. Nasi lemak habis
Habis lah.
Alamak, selalu habis cepat Saya datang sini, saya tengok internet ada nasi lemak the best. Okey bang. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. I buying one of these from the side vendor. So from this place. So he's selling here but nobody is buying. So I will buy one from him lah. Saya post kat YouTube bang. Jadi kalau ada orang nanti datang boleh beli jumpa abang beli So hot guys, the weather is so hot. Okay, so I'm not happy right now. I didn't get to eat nasi lemak over here because it's so loud and it's only like 11 a.m. right now. It's only like 11:10 a.m. I just got to eat the roti bomb or something like that. That bread with some curry. It's only 6 ringgit. So but now I really want to eat nasi lemak. I still want to eat nasi lemak. So I'm gonna search in the Google. I saw the one earlier, 4.2, right? I don't know where is it. Let me find it. This is the one. So this is the one, guys. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so I'm going here. How many minutes from here? The review say best nasi lemak in JB. Best nasi lemak, sedap dan mestinya ayam goreng berempah, soto kaki ayam. Wow, okay, this one sounds more promising. So let me see how far is the distance. 8 minutes from here. I think should be okay. So catch you guys the nasi lemak there. Okay. So see you guys. Hello nak.
Air apa?
Air TOI saya ada. TOI Timur.
Terima kasih mak.
Ya, saya. Terima kasih.
$12 dah sen.
12 ringgit fokus. Saya ada 20 sen lah.
Makan ke buka? Berapa lah? Ayam? Telur lah? Telur. Ayam bagi apa?
Terima kasih lah. Looks so delicious. 这块水就是水。Chicken is I try just this time. I try just the chicken. I feel it comes. Right guys, I just realized sorry I'm just slightly away, but the place where I ate just now, the Nasi Lemak, is just beside there. It's just behind here. I take a shade because it's very hot right now. So this one is actually a shade just beside the shop. But I feel that I realized that it's actually just beside the custom. It's nearby JB Custom. You guys search the address, is actually just beside the custom, and I feel like it's damn good. The Nasi Lemak is damn good. I feel like I feel very. I mean, you guys have to. You guys have the noise, the sound of the exhaust. Okay, so what I was saying is that you guys have to come here and try. If you guys trying to cross JB and eat breakfast, right? So I feel like you guys have to try and go to this place and eat the Nasi Lemak. It's very good. It costs $9.50 for the egg chicken and with the rice, with the whole set, complete set. But if you go without the egg, it's RM1 cheaper. So it will be $8.50. So it's a place to go. I will definitely leave a review. Yeah, I will definitely leave a review. And the parking is actually not so bad because in front of the shop, got car parking for car. There's a lot, and also for bike you can just park anywhere you want. And sorry for the motorbike because I'm just beside the road. And I realized that there's not a lot of people because first thing I saw a lot of delivery, a lot of Grab delivering food, and then secondly is that people come to eat just for like 5-10 minutes and then they just left. It's just like quick bite and then go off, quick bite and then go off. I see like a few people just sit down for 5-10 minutes, eat the Nasi Lemak and go off. That's why I realized like, oh, this place is very popular, but how come not a lot of people? So I realized that people just come and go, and some people are just taking takeaway. So it's actually a good place. Hidden gem, I would say, because it's actually at the main road. I just turned the camera around. It's actually at the main road here. You can see this main road. And then when you come in, you will make a U-turn here. And then the shop is just beside there. Just there. Near the T junction. There's a T junction over there. Those of you guys who want to try out, I think this is. I see a few Singaporean bikes parking like on the other side, like a few of them. So I guess this is quite a popular place, and I feel like to give it a rating out of 10, I will rate it at 9.5. And 9.5 is quite a very high rating because I'm quite a very picky eater. But I feel like the sambal is the highlight of the dish because it's spicy, it's sweet, not very sweet, it's a little sweet, but the spice is really kicking, and the chicken is very tender. For those of you, I like the fried bun. For those of you who want to get a tender chicken, right, you guys have to take the Thai. Request for the Thai meat. Oh, very hot. request for the Thai meat. It's very very juicy, and the marination is, and then they give you the crumbs. Wow, plus point. Yep. Okay, so I'm going back to Singapore. I'm just here for breakfast, just for a few hours, and right now it's almost 12 p.m. Finally, I get to eat my nasi lemak, and I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling damn full right now because I eat 2 dish today. Yeah. So I'm just gonna head back to Singapore. Maybe I will drop by some shopping center, just buy some stuff, and then I will head back to Singapore. There's a lot of traffic. I show you guys. There's a lot of traffic around here.
Under the stars up in the sky, I got lost tonight. Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I.